A crow. I don't remember there being a disgusting crow in my dream. Get out, you conniving corvid. Go on, get away. Oh, I hated crows since one of them pecked out Fox's eyeball. Layla and I convinced ourselves that they were all controlled by one giant evil crow called the Thornbeak. Oh, don't swing! Get back here! Why? What's going on? Hey, Impy. Maybe you should be careful with that thing. No. Foxy! Francis! Watch out! It's Bluepink! He's trapped Lancewing! Let her go! Let Lancewing go!
like a bird's made a nest in my brain. Oh, this place stinks. I think I'm gonna throw up. Oh, no! Get away from me, you filthy feathered feet! Oh. Oh, what is going on? What happened last night? What's that sound? It's beautiful. Layla, here to embarrass me in front of everyone again. I don't need you. I don't need anyone. They can all go and... Hey? That's my dragon. Flowing away. Hey, mouth bro, let me on. My dragon's in there.
Dragon? No dragons here. Only passengers. With tickets.
Come on, lip brush. Just step aside and let me on.
I'll have you know I'm a very important part of the transport system, sir.
I simply must ask you to let me on.
Excuse me? I've won Mustache of the Year 7 years in a row. What's your claim to fame?
Wow, is there any way you could be more annoying? I sympathize with your simple mission. To come on board and ride, but listen. At some point, we all reach rock bottom. I need to ask for that little token. That golden ticket to get on board.
Tickets, please. Tickets, please. Tickets, please. Tickets, please.
What's up with you with your long face? It seems to me you're most displeased. Don't be unkind, it's out of place. So clap your hands and slap your knees. I see you want to get on board. I'll cure you of your sad disease. Stop being grumpy, oh my lord, and give me all your tickets.
Tickets, please. Tickets, please. Tickets, please. Tickets, please.
There's just one thing I'm looking for. T-I-C-K-E-N-T. Where have you been? You look a mess. I'm sorry, it is mean to tease. And though you're lost, I must digress. Your suit's got holes about the knees. What happened to you, music man? Your hat's all broke, you smell of cheese. Try be happy if you can, and give me all your tickets.
Tickets, please. Tickets, please. Tickets, please. Tickets, please.
There's just one thing I'm looking for. T-I-C-K-E-N-T. Tickets, please.
I have no ticket. If I did, I would... Where the sun don't shine. And the banjos really do my head in.